In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import UI from Figma to Roblox Studio in just one click, the easiest way ever. If you're a designer or developer looking to integrate your Figma designs into Roblox, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and simplify the entire process. First things first, we need to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that's immensely popular among designers. If you don't have a Figma account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, simply navigate to the Figma website and click on Login. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. Here you can see all your recent projects and shared files. This is your main hub for accessing and creating your design projects. Now click on the Design tab. This is where all the creative magic happens. Once in the design section, we need to find the action we're going to use throughout this tutorial. You're going to want to look for and click on the option called Action. This is going to direct us towards the functionality we need for our UI import. After you've clicked Action, a search bar will appear. It's time to search for a plugin named Figma to Roblox. Typing this into the search bar will bring up the tool that makes the conversion process smooth and straightforward. Once you see Figma to Roblox in the search results, click on it to activate the plugin. This is the cornerstone of our tutorial, allowing the seamless transition of designs from Figma to Roblox Studio. With the plugin selected, the next step is simply to click on Run. This action will initiate the process of extracting your design from Figma and preparing it to be imported into Roblox Studio. The plugin does all the heavy lifting here, converting your design data into a format recognizable by Roblox Studio. And there you have it, a seamless way to transition your Figma designs over to Roblox Studio, all within a few simple clicks. This method eliminates the need for tedious manual conversions and streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating engaging and immersive experiences in Roblox. Remember, this is just the beginning of what you can achieve by merging the power of Figma's design capabilities with the interactive possibilities of Roblox Studio. We hope this tutorial has helped demystify the process of UI importation and encourages you to explore further and make even more of your design dreams a reality within your Roblox projects.